Welcome to Weekly Market Research from Fullerton Markets. Let's dive into the latest market trends and insights. Microsoft has agreed to unbundle its Teams app from Office 365 and Microsoft 365 in Europe, offering versions without Teams at lower prices and enhancing interoperability with competitors. This move aims to resolve EU antitrust concerns, originally sparked by Slack's 2020 complaint, and avoid a potential fine. Microsoft says the changes provide more choice for customers, while Salesforce, which owns Slack, continues to push for strong enforceable remedies. MSFT in daily chart. The stock is approaching a zone that has acted as strong resistance for nearly 12 months. Investors are likely to secure profits between the 450 to 465 range, anticipating a potential 10 to 20% correction before seeking re-entry opportunities. Bitcoin. In January 2024, hackers briefly took over the SEC's X, formerly Twitter account, and falsely tweeted that Bitcoin ETFs had been approved. The tweet, part of a SIM swap hack involving Alabama man Eric Council Jr., caused Bitcoin's price to spike by over $1,000 before quickly dropping more than $2,000 once the SEC clarified the news was fake. Council was sentenced to 14 months in prison. The incident highlights how social engineering attacks can cause major volatility in crypto markets. BTC USD in the daily chart. In less than a month, Bitcoin has rebounded from $75,000 to surpass the $100,000 mark. Now, the $107,000 level stands as a critical resistance, determining whether this move signals sustainable growth or is simply an accumulation phase for whales. Gold. Gold prices fell more than 2% on Friday and are down over 4% for the week, marking their worst weekly performance since November, as investor appetite for risk returned following a temporary U.S.-China trade truce. Gold dropped to $3,188 an ounce, down from last month's record high of $3,500. The easing of trade tensions led traders to take profits and unwind safe haven bets in gold. Meanwhile, expectations for U.S. interest rate cuts remain intact due to slowing inflation and weak economic data, potentially offering longer-term support for bullion. XAU USD in the H4 chart. Gold's unusual wide daily range in May, exceeding 100 points, has increased liquidation among speculators in the futures market. We advise entering within the zone of 3,100 and 3,150 for long-term positioning. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into these market shifts and their potential future impacts. We are Fullerton Markets.